Hey there, Chrome users. Welcome back to our channel. If you've been experiencing performance issues or graphical glitches while using Google Chrome, don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome, which can help resolve those pesky problems and improve your browsing experience. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's how to disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. Open Chrome, then click the horizontal ellipsis menu button in the top right corner and click on Settings. Click on System. Under the System section, turn off the Use Hardware Acceleration when available toggle switch. Click the Relaunch button. Once you complete the steps, menus and visual elements should render correctly on Chrome. Thank you for tuning into our tutorial. We hope this quick guide helps you troubleshoot any performance-related issues you may have been facing. For more tech tips, browser hacks, and software tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.